ultimate utilization of water resources will benefit communities in East Africa if they adopt to recycling waste, becoming more creative with biological and chemical processes that enhance reuse of water. One such innovation is the construction of artificial wetlands.
Fish farming, safe for gardening activities and all these type of activities. So it's reduction of the pollutant to the required level by the chemical, biological and the physical mechanisms. This actually is a new technology. It's an engineering facility, planned, designed, constructed, operated and maintained to treat wastewater. So these wetlands actually, they are designed to imitate the natural processes which are taking place in the natural wetlands. So things like wetland plants, enhancement of macrobiological organisms, the substrate in the form of soil or aggregates are the ones which form an artificial wetland, which actually is an imitation of the natural wetlands. So these systems, as I said, they are designed to treat wastewater. It can be domestic wastewater, it can be municipal wastewater, it can be an industrial wastewater. Currently, there have been advancements in using these constructed wetland or artificial wetland in treating wastewater, because there seems to be of less total construction cost as compared to the conventional wastewater treatment technologies we know, but also they require minimal operation maintenance as compared to the conventional ones. But also even the land requirement for especially for the subsurface flow type of treatment wetland is less as compared to the conventional ones. But also it looks like the treatment wetlands or artificial wetlands are ideal for decentralized wastewater treatment. They can fit for a single household, to a small community, to a municipal, to a city. They cater across all these demands. And again, treatment wetlands provides the potential for reuse of treated wastewater.
Post-2015 debates on water are intensive. People are considering targets towards access to drinking water, sanitation, hygiene, wastewater and water resources management.
Like many development agencies are thinking that a more focused intervention on water is key. I would strongly think so. The only thing is maybe being more focused on addressing the needs of the poor, as well as the challenges of getting water and its subsequent sanitation improvement to the poor. The billions or millions of people who can't access water is really a big shame to the world, and therefore using the available resources to secure that more people have access to water is one thing, and then the issue of addressing wastewater, meaning that if we get water, how we use it efficiently, and then making use of the wastewater should be extremely key to the post-2015 at all levels, because you can talk about industry, okay, that's fine, but then even at a household level, what can communities, for example, in the fast-growing towns and villages in the Lake Victoria Basin do to reuse this wastewater, so that you address the shortages, because most of the water corporations that are serving the urban areas, for example, cannot serve communities or the people within because it's fast-growing area, and therefore attention should be built within reusing water, the wastewater, how to reuse it, issues around public health in doing that, but also in terms of getting the other actors, the industry, to also do something so that more water is available for those that cannot access it.
More creativity is wanting in waterlogged areas, especially in the disposal of human waste. Pit latrine coverage is still low in many areas around Lake Victoria. A likely solution is the environmental sanitation toilet facility, also known as the EcoSan.
For toilets or fecal matter, managing it in such waterlogged areas, there's this new technology of EcoSan. We are promoting EcoSan, and EcoSan is a simple technology that when somebody is being educated or has been educated, it controls, because it's about recycling waste and reusing it. You go to the toilet, an EcoSan toilet, especially those people who are not connected to the sewer, the main sewerage of the city. They'll construct an EcoSan toilet, which is an innovative technology, and that the feces that will go in that toilet will be removed and be reused for improving the soil productivity, fertility, for improved productivity in the gardens and getting high yields. We have done this in Katwe. People are taking out the feces, they are selling off the urine, and they are getting money out of it. And also the people buying are improving on their soils and also realizing higher yields. We are doing the same project in Busia district along the Lake Victoria area, landing sites in the areas of Majanji and Madni landing sites.
We probably haven't used the water to influence larger processes of development. And I think the challenge is with us water professionals, that we have tended to look at water as something that is God-given, that is well known by everybody, and we have not tried to reach out to the decision makers, to the policy makers, the donors, and everybody to get to know how much water can actually contribute and how important it is for everybody to actually pick interest in water. We have in Uganda, for example, been saying that our funding for water has been going down, and I think we have ourselves to blame. We assume people know what water can do, but as we realize, water touches almost every sector. So you cannot deal with water as a Ministry of Water. We may be the custodian to spearhead, but we need to open up. And that's why the issue of partnerships and collaboration is very, very important.